Well, I think sort of commemorating the Civil War period is going to be extremely difficult. Obviously, it was a very contested period in Irish history that divided families, communities. So how do you best commemorate something like that? And I think this project, which is attempting, if you like, to get something positive from the experience, is very important. The Public Records Office in Dublin was destroyed at the outset of the Irish Civil War in June 1922, and a huge amount of historical material was lost. We're setting out to try and recover as much of that as is possible, and I'm involved in a pilot project at the moment on the mid-17th century, and the results thus far are extraordinary, way beyond any of our expectations in terms of what we've managed to retrieve and rebuild, which hopefully will set the standard for what's to come. But I think what we can see emerging from it is, if you like, rebuilding our past and rebuilding those records in a way that will allow us to re-engage with this period and these periods of Irish history in a very constructive way. So from literally the ashes of the Civil War, something positive is beginning to emerge, and I think that's a very hopeful and a very positive sign. 2016 was a great success. I think the Irish state has always struggled with the issue of commemoration because of the contested nature of the outcome of the revolutionary period, but I think there's a general feeling that the balance was right this time around, whereas not good on the 75th. So I think there is an appetite there. I think there's great public interest in the past, and I think if it's done correctly, it's something that can continue to flourish. Did far greater atrocities in Ireland than Cromwell, but in some ways, because he was the most successful man of his era and one of the best known faces of English history and indeed Irish history, I think he's remembered better than anybody else. I think it would be a highly contested statement to say that he fought according to the rules of war at the time. I wouldn't agree with that. I think he contravened those on many occasions, and that's one of the reasons why he has got such a, shall we say, a black name in Ireland. But I think it's a mistake to, if you like, put all the ills of the English conquest on one man. He was only one man. The conquest took the best part of a century.